Move your ballad pussy.
The mother want to know a way joke there. The person caption it say, "Madman cursing little boy," with some laughing emoji. And I know me can't find a joke because in the video, you see the little boy frightened. What if him did run out in the road and a car lick him? You'd still laugh, and the people in the background just laugh like, no, where them find that? Where them find that funny? Now the man look like, I don't know if you say, cause him have on like him shoes clean and him clothes clean. Me not really see nothing what I say. Him mad, but probably him mentally unstable. But him not fully mad.
Move your ballad pussy.
Hear the people them a laugh like them a idiot. Me no see one joke in that. Cause the child could have run out in the road and get licked down by a vehicle. And in the video you can clearly see that there's a security officer behind him on the left hand side. Right at the bottom left corner you can see the yellow shirt. And me know say that is a quest uniform. Right there so. And even if it's not a security guard, it's still an adult, and you just stand up there so and I laugh and I watch the man. I disrespect the little youth. This is where you gone to. We live in a country where people find that funny.
Damn it, get another meal and then me double it. Trouble say no trouble, want no trouble. You so pussy don't trouble me. Evil me, so no fuck with